We went shopping on Halloween. These are the things we got from our Halloween shop.
Cool, guys. What you got?
So we got some pillows. This is Santa's favourite arrow.
From the North Pole.
And
Cool.
then it's like you put it near the cushion and then it's pointing to the glass of milk and cookies.
Cool. Should we put it on the couch?
Yeah.
Let's put it down here. Very cool, guys. Look at that. Awesome.
Right, I'm going to put this down here for our Charlotte.
I love you.
Nice.
For my Charlotte.
Oh, nice.
And
Why don't you put it on here? Let's have a look.
Oh, this is the popcorn factory. Yeah.
Super cool.
So it's a popcorn town.
Do you want a hand opening it?
Ready? Right, let's see what we've got
And I
in
do
here.
not know. I'm going to put that, but it is very simple.
You hold the box when I pull it up. Ready?
Wow.
There we go. Lift the box on, please.
Cool.
Turn it round.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, it's empty.
Going to light up. So we have, what is it called? A
Popcorn factory.
Very cool, guys.
So this is the beginning of our Christmas village.
But Santa's coming. There's so much to do.
Yay. Yeah,
Which is yet to
come.
There we go.
There's Popping Town there.
Very cool.
Fake Popping Town.
So,
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Right, we'll have to plug this one in later, guys, won't we, when we do our big Christmas display.
There's
Very cool, guys. Gingerbread.
gingerbread
street.
something? Yeah.
Cool. Like that one today? Awesome. Right, let's go on to Teddy's bag.
Next we have something called a winter wishes cheerful, I think.
Cool, put it on in, let's have a look.
It's basically, I think it's
Look at all that snow. It's the snow off the village.
You know throws,
Wow.
you put them round and then you tie them.
That looks
That's
very snuggly.
basically it.
And where's that going, Dan? Where's it going?
That's going to go on the sofa.
Oh, exciting.
Keep us all warm and cozy.
Gingerbread snowballs. Ow!
What do we think to our tree, guys, so far?
It's great. Look at the little broken.
Will it look a lot better when we've got lots of presents under it?
Christmas is the greatest day in the whole wide world.
Okay. There we go.
There we go.
What's next, Teddy?
I think it's quite not a tree expert.
Are you a tree expert, Tilly?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, what tree is this from then?
You are a smart one. I understand now.
Holly.
Wow, I think someone might be right. Are they right, Dan?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Excellent. Woo!
Everybody knows that.
I know it.
Cool.
I did my schoolwork.
I think it's going to be for around the big display in the kitchen. Cool. Right, let's put it on the pile then.
Everywhere.
Right, please
No, we'll work on it.
on the pile today.
Good girl. Awesome. What else have we got, guys? Have a look
Bring
in.
it out together because this is very special.
Wow, should we put it on here and have a look?
So
Let everybody see.
explain it. There
first we've
is
got
a bookshop with a
Yeah.
little tree with a
Have a look at that then.
A library,
Bookshop.
basically.
A library. And what's this one?
We've got carrots.
So the gift shop where there's two people.
We've got Santa Claus.
And then there's that Santa Claus with
Very cool.
a tree, and then there's the theatre with a snowman with some. Do you want to build a
Wow,
snowman?
what happens if you press that button on the end? Where your finger is, Tilly?
Oh yeah.
What happens?
This does. Oh.
Wow, look at that.
At night time.
That is super cool. I bet this is going to look awesome in our Christmas display, guys. Wow.
We're gonna have to hold it down.
Right, put it in the big pile.
Then the tile to the.
Put it down here. Wow, super awesome. Okay, guys, what have we got now?
Another twain.
Another train.
Another twain. We didn't put it back in.
Yeah.
It's the same train, guys. It's the same train. What have we got now?
Oh, look at this. What is it? Blankie! It's a blankie. Snuggle.
Right, put it on the big pile, Ted.
The gingerbread house.
A what house?
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow, let's show us it, Teddy. Put it down here so we can
I
see.
can see the front. I see
Wow.
the front. Oh,
That is super cute.
Hello.
We've got a lot of gingerbread, guys, haven't we? Do we see a theme here?
Ooh.
Is there going to be a big gingerbread display?
Can I take a nibble? No.
Right, what's next, guys? Let's go. Okay, cool, guys. What have we got?
We have a gingerbread candle.
Let's have a look.
Gingerbread.
Should we pop it open and see what's inside?
Yeah, it's really good
We
smell.
can have a smell.
I know you guys can't smell it, but there's 3 candles.
Wait. Don't touch the candles.
What does it smell like?
It smells like gingerbread.
Ooh.
It's a gingerbread candle.
I don't know.
Cool. What do you think it smells of, Teddy?
Smells nice.
Does it?
Nice.
Very cool. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Lovely. Okay, guys, what have we got now?
It's a gingerbread man.
This is probably going to go in a gingerbread sign. You know what I mean?
Yeah, probably.
Obviously.
Oh, my pudding gumdrops.
Daddy!
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man who lives down Troy Lane.
Right.
Does he have gumdrop buttons, guys? Put it on here so we can have a look. Oh, not the buttons! Let's have a look. Gumdrop buttons.
No, he only has
Let's have a look. Show the camera.
Snowflake.
Let's have a look. Wow, cool.
Ooh, nice.
But he's a gingerbread.
Looks very cute. Let's put him on the pile.
Right, so wait, the next one's pretty cool.
Oh, the glitter's going everywhere.
Oh,
so let's put it on the file.
Wow, let's have a look what the next one is. Whoa. That's a nice choo-choo train. What's on the other side? Let's see the other side. Ah, it's a calendar. So it's a countdown. So when it gets to the 1st of December, we put it on number 1. And then when it's the 25th, what day is that, guys? Christmas.
I'm in a store.
Ah, very cool. Let's have a look.
Buttons.
Very cool.
It
Awesome.
looks like sugar.
Woo!
Wait, is that girl?
Yes, go. Me.
Oh, I know who theirs are for. Those are for Charlotte.
For my Charlotte. Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Let's see what's on the tree.
I see a broccoli.
I can see. Ooh, it's some pudding for Christmas.
More things for Christmas.
Yes.
More things for Christmas.
Yes.
What else have we got?
Another cushion that says ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at that one. Very nice, guys. Look at that. Ho, ho, ho.
I put the big stuff on it.
So then I've got. It's stuck. So I got this one. It goes. This is Mrs. Claus's kitchen, made fresh daily. Bake sale.
Yummy.
Candies, cookies, and cake. Baking spirits bright. And then we're gonna put it like, I don't know, but
We can see later on.
in the kitchen.
Cool.
Basically.
Put it on this pile then.
I'll put it.
Right, wait until you finish there. There
we go. Very cool, guys. Look at that.
Teddy's got the tinsel tangled tight. Tilly's making cookies in the pale moonlight. Snow's falling, it's a glittery mess. Who needs perfect when you got this? Teddy and Tilly, Christmas fun.
What are you doing, Tilly?
Sparkle under the sun. Hit that bell, you know the drill. Subscribe, subscribe. You know you want. Tilly's in a sweater 2 sizes wrong. Teddy's got reindeer ears all day long. Wrapping gifts with too much tape. It's a holiday escape, no need to escape. Laughter loud, we're on a roll. Mistletoe chaos, lose control. Teddy and Tilly, Christmas fun. Singing carols till the day is done. Like and share, come join the thrill. Subscribe, subscribe. You know you will. Snowball fights till our hands are numb. Gingerbread houses with walls that come undone.
Right, guys, what
We're
can we
a
see on the
little
tree?
messy, but we're full of cheer.
What you got there, Tilly?
This is the channel of the year.
Oh, nice.
Teddy and Tilly, Christmas fun. Singing carols till the day is done.
Right, guys, what are we doing
Like and
now?
share, come join
2,
the
3.
thrill.